Hello and welcome everybody. I am by-Prof.S.M.Shaikh from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. I am an assistant professor in Electrical Engineering Department. In today's video, I would like to tell you some about Unit 3 of the subject Electrical Installation, Maintenance and Testing, which is Maintenance and Condition Monitoring. Now, normally in a normal class setup, I would proceed for this subject by doing a small activity which is known as the brainstorming activity. But since this time we were in the online mode due to the pandemic situation, I opted for the menti.com. And in this, I shared this code with the students and also this link. So when I click on this link, it used to take me directly to the menti.com site, and on this site I had already posted my question, that is, what is the first thing that comes to mind on hearing the word maintenance. Here the students start giving their input towards this question, and as they give the input, I can immediately see what are the different responses I am getting, and so can all the students see as well, right? So this is the different uh, responses that I have got in response to the question that I had put, that what is the first thing that comes to their mind on hearing the word maintenance. So as you see, the words which are being repeated are being bold, come in the center and become bold, and they also put the number of times these words are repeated. Also I come to know how many total students have responded. So it's a very handy tool, especially for carrying out brainstorming activity. From this activity I always carry out to know what is the thing that is going on in their mind, how different a student thinks, is something out, can they think something out of the box. So mostly we find that students stick to the subject and to the theory, so I also try to encourage them to think out of the box when I throw such questions during these brainstorming activity. So what I do next is I try to summarize all these points that they have given through the brainstorming and ask the students to come up with a um, definition for this word maintenance, right? So the next thing we do is we go to define maintenance. So maintenance may be defined as the upkeep of the substation's electrical equipments in proper working condition and efficient to derive the following: reliable and efficient operation, optimum utilization, availability, reduced downtime, detection of premature faults, minimizing revenue loss, and many more such things. To meet the above requirements, the equipment has to be checked, attended to, troubleshot, and operated under specified conditions. In this unit, we also see the different maintenance strategies, which is breakdown maintenance, preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and condition-based maintenance. Now, as the name breakdown suggests, that after the machine or the equipment has fails due to any reason, or a breakdown of that equipment has occurred, if you do anything to fix it, that is known as breakdown maintenance. So it is on failure maintenance, that is after the breakdown has happened, whatever you're doing to fix it, that is called breakdown maintenance. So this is not normally preferred. All your maintenance strategies should be designed in such a way that you don't let the equipment go into breakdown, because breakdown means losses. So we don't want the company to go under losses in any situation, and therefore we try to reduce the occurrences of breakdown. Then there is fixed time, that is planned maintenance or preventive maintenance. So maintenance based upon calendar or running time, applicable to plants that exhibit wear out but must be used in conjunction with other strategies, right? Then there is design out or design out cause of failure. Okay. And recently which has come, so this condition based maintenance also comes under predictive maintenance. So that way you cannot say that predict condition based maintenance is a totally new strategy. It comes under predictive maintenance only, because you're continuously monitoring the condition of the equipment, and even a certain change in that equipment will tell you what is, you can predict basically what would be the fault in that equipment, and take up proactive action to prevent that kind of failure. Okay, so these are the four main types of maintenance strategies that we needed to see in today's lecture. Hope you understood these four strategies and the definition of the term maintenance. Thank you.